Hello students. Welcome to Teach You Smart. Let's continue our journey through the chapter, Mensuration. Today, we will discuss some applications related to the area and perimeter of plane shapes. In John's house, there is a long hall in the shape of a rectangle, of length 20 meters and width 14 meters. One day, he bought a semicircular shaped mat of radius 7 meters, and it can be placed in one of its widths. Then, find the area of the remaining portion of the hall. Given that the length of the hall, L equals 20 meters, breadth, B equals 14 meters, and a semicircular mat of radius, R equals 7 meters. Let's name the rectangle, ABCD, with AB equals CD equals 20 meters, BC equals DA equals 14 meters. We have to find the area of the hall, where the mat is not placed. How can we find it? Yes, to get the area of the remaining portion of the hall, by subtracting the area of the mat from the total area of the hall. That is, the area of a rectangle, ABCD, minus the area of a semicircle. We know that the area of a rectangle with length L and breadth B is LB, and the area of a circle of radius R is pi r square. So the area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Therefore, the area of rectangle ABCD equals AB multiplied by BC equals 20 multiplied by 14 equals 280 square meters. And the area of semicircle equals half pi r square equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 square equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 equals 11 multiplied by 7 equals 77 square meters. Therefore, the area of the remaining portion of the rectangle equals the area of the rectangle minus the area of the semicircle equals 280 minus 77 equals 203 square meters. Next, we move to another example. A field, in the form of a parallelogram, has one of its diagonals 42 meters long, and the perpendicular distance of this diagonal from either of the outlying vertices is 10.8 meters. Find the area of the field. Given, a field is in the form of a parallelogram. Let the parallelogram be named ABCD, with AC is 42 meters. DL and BM are the perpendiculars from the vertices D and B to the diagonal AC, such that they are 10.8 meters long. We have to find the area of the field, that is, the area of the parallelogram, ABCD. But how? Let's see. Since AC divided the parallelogram ABCD into two congruent triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC, the area of parallelogram ABCD is the sum of the area of these two triangles. Since triangles ABC and triangle ADC are congruent, the area of these two triangles are also same. So the area of the parallelogram equals 2 multiplied by the area of the triangle. We have the area of a triangle with base B, and height h is half BH. In these triangles, B equals 42 meters, and H equals 10.8 meters. So the area of the parallelogram is 2 multiplied by half BH. That is, 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, multiplied by 42, multiplied by 10.8, which is equal to 453.6 square meters. Therefore, the area of the field is 453.6 square meters. Before winding up, let's check how much you understood by doing an activity. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters, and APB and CPD are semicircles. That's all for now. See you all in the next class.